Hello children. Children, today we will do questions based on perimeter and also we will do an activity based on perimeter. Let's start. So look here children, here our first question is Chandu's father is called the young old man in his village. At 70 years of age, he is fully fit. Do you know his secret? So I think you all know his secret because he goes for a walk every day. That's why he is known as young old man in his village. He goes for a walk around the field every morning. Every day he takes 4 rounds of Chandu's field. So this field is of Chandu and Chandu's father takes 4 rounds of this field every day. Now you have to calculate what is the total distance he covers. Now children, you all know for finding total distance what you will do, you will find perimeter, or you can also say we will add all the sides of this rectangular park. So the boundary of the field will be 500 meter and you can see here what is written here. He takes 4 rounds of Chandu's field. So in one round he covers 500 meter. So in 4 rounds how many meters he will cover? 2000 meter, which will be equal to 2 kilometer because 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. Moving to the next page. Now look at the picture of the tablecloth and tell how much lace is used for one tablecloth. So children, this is the picture of tablecloth and you have to tell how much lace will be required for this tablecloth. Okay, means at the boundary of this tablecloth we have to fix lace. Okay, in this way. Now children, what you will do in this case, you will add all the sides, you will find the perimeter of this tablecloth. So after adding all the sides, what you will get? You will get, here you can see what is written 1 meter 50 centimeters. So first what we will do, we will convert it into centimeter. So you all know 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So 100 plus 50 equals 150 centimeter and the length of the lace required for one tablecloth will be, what we will do, we will add all the sides. So answer will be 400 centimeter, which will be equal to 4 meter because 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Moving to the next page. Now look here children, here question is how much lace will be used in 3 such tables. So you all know for one table cloth requirement is 4 meters. So for 3 tables 4 into 3 equals 12 meter. Moving to the next page. Now how much lace will be left in the roll? So you all know total length of lace equals 100 meter. Lace used to make 3 tablecloths equals 12 meters. So what we will do here for finding how much lace will be left in the roll, we will subtract 12 meter from 100 meter and our answer will be 88 meter. Moving to the next page. Now here we have an activity, find out the length of the boundary of these shapes. So children, this is our irregular shape and you have to find the length of the boundary of these shapes, means you have to find the perimeter of these irregular shapes. So we have already discussed such type of questions. What you have to do here, you have to use thread. So here you can see I have written the steps. What you have to do, you have to take a thread and you have to place the thread carefully over the figure along boundary. Okay, now your next, in this way you will keep the thread. Okay, now cut the thread which is required to cover exactly the boundary of the figure and then measure the length of the thread. The length of the thread will be the length of the boundary of the shape. Okay, so you will do this activity in this way. Okay, and now it's your turn. You have to find the answer of this question. Mohan goes for a walk around the field every morning and every day he takes 2 rounds of Chandu's field. What is the total distance he covers? So children, it's your turn. You have to give the answer. I hope all of you have completed. Let's check the answer. So here children, your answer will be 1 kilometer. I think you all have got this answer. With this we come to an end and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.